How to enable fingerprint on Infinix Smart 9. Okay, so let's get started. Follow the step and don't skip anything. In the first step, you can go to the setting menu, and then you can tap on password and security, and next you can tap on fingerprint. And in the first way, we need to make a pattern lock screen. Tap on confirm, and in this option, lock screen notification, I want to setting on don't show lock screen notification to make more private on my phone cell. So tap on done, and now we can add some fingerprint on this cell phone. Tap snake, and you can place your finger in this button, the power button. Swipe until the indicator is full, like this. Okay, and next tap the finish, and you can add your another finger. Maybe you want to add this finger, you can tap on it. Okay guys, just like this. Follow the step and don't skip anything.